Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you where the charging menu and all that, like when you're charging, where all that went on software version 11. So that tutorial is coming up. So in an update a while ago, they did add basically a fast way to get to charging. And basically that's to hit the battery up here. So if you hit that, the charging screen comes up here. And so another way to get to it, the new way basically, instead of going down to the dots here and being able to hit a actual charging button, is if you go to the car button here and you go to charging, there's a new actual screen for it, just specifically for charging. So now you've got all the information here, your mileage, if you want to set your charging limit, unlock charger port, open charger port, you can adjust your amps here as well. And then also your scheduled charging is down here at the bottom. So scheduled here, and then if you push switch to scheduled charging, you can do regular charging, not scheduled charging. So that's how you can do that. Also, when you're actually charging, if we go over to the right up here, the information is now there instead of over here under the car like it was before. And so basically what they did is they moved it over here, and it's kind of annoying because it's a little bit smaller. But if we go, left to right, the mileage is going to be there. So basically it's going to be your volts times your amps. They do a whole calculation. Tells you how many miles an hour you're going to charge. And then in the middle is, or I guess to the left still, but second to the left is how many miles you've gotten during that charge. The next one over there is your amps, and then next one over is your voltage. And then over to the right under your battery, they give you your charge limit. So like mine is set at 90%, which is 205 miles right now. And so that information is under your bar here, like where your regen and your acceleration is. So that's where they move that. Just rearrange it. I think I kind of like the old way better. I think a lot of people do because it's bigger here and the information is bigger down here instead of being all up here in this tiny little area where it's kind of small. So anyway, that's where the charging information went. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.